All morning we're hanging out at the largest Goodwill in Western Canada, right here at home in Edmonton. Bet you didn't know that. It is October, of course. We're celebrating Halloween. We're choosing our costumes. I am Cruella DeVille. We have Doug here from Goodwill Industries. You are a
Canadian lumberjack there, right?
Rocking that plaid. So this time around we're talking about kids' costumes. I mean, imagination is endless, right? We're going to invite our first model in, Gabriel. Gabriel, come in for us. So what did he choose, Doug?
So Gabriel led the charge on this, and he found an old monkey suit, mask, everything. It looks absolutely rock starish, and I say rock starish because he found the axe guitar, and we're gonna hear #1 hit song from Gabriel, I'm sure anytime soon, especially rocking that costume, aren't we, Gabriel?
That's right. Gabriel, thank you so much. No monkey business right here. We're going to invite our other models in as well. I also love that the mask also serves as COVID friendly too.
Oh, fantastic, right?
So Kinsley is here with us today, and this is actually your family, right, Gabriel?
This is my family. We have little Hunter and little Kinsley, and Kinsley led the charge. She found a Spider-Man costume, an ode to Spider-Mabel, and superhero costumes are so in right now, and we always have a lot coming through our doors, so we just let the kids lead the charge.
Absolutely, and let's not forget about newborns, because they should be participating in Halloween
well,
too,
it's
right?
all about the entire family, right? So that's why we have Kinsley, and then we also have Hunter, and he's rocking a pumpkin jumpsuit, so he's actually celebrating Halloween in his own little way, and we just dressed him up as a little pumpkin just so he could participate with everybody else.
That's right. It's a costume and pajamas, so it serves as two duties, right? Really quickly, Doug, what are some tips for families coming to Goodwill? How do you choose the right costume for your kids?
Well, as you can see, Kinsley's already leading the way. She has her eyes on some other costumes, but you have to let kids lead the charge. It's all about using your imagination and piecing some items together. Little Kinsley was looking for a belle costume, right? Princess? Yeah. So she was looking for a princess, ended up as a superhero. You just got to let them lead the way.
That's absolutely correct. Thank you so much, Doug, and to the entire family, all of our models today. If you want more information on Goodwill, head to our website, ctvm.ca under Morning Live.